Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have two robot vacuum cleaners that are making waves in the market. In one corner, we have the Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum, and in the other corner, we have the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Let's dive in and compare these two products in various categories to see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum is priced at $229, while the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner comes in at a slightly lower price of $209. So if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the Lefant M210 Pro might be the one for you. Now let's talk about the features. The Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum boasts a tri-brush system, combining side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll to handle debris on carpets and hard floors. It also has intelligent cliff sensors to avoid bumping into furniture and walls. Additionally, you can control the Shark AV753 using the Shark Clean app or through voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner comes with upgraded FreeMove Technology 3.0, which allows it to detect obstacles and retreat to avoid falls or getting stuck. It offers multiple cleaning modes, including arranged cleaning, random cleaning, spot cleaning, wall cleaning, schedule cleaning, and manual control direction. The Lefant M210 Pro is also pet-friendly with powerful suction and brushless suction mouth to handle pet hair efficiently. You can control it through the Lefant app, as well as Alexa or Google Assistant. Battery life is an essential factor to consider when choosing a robot vacuum. The Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum has an impressive 120-minute runtime, providing whole home, floor-to-carpet cleaning for up to 2 hours. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner also offers up to 120 minutes of runtime on hardwood floors, ensuring a thorough cleaning on a single charge. Let's talk about connectivity options. The Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum can be controlled through the Shark Clean app, allowing you to start and stop cleaning and schedule your robot to clean whenever you want. You can also use Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for easy voice control in your connected home. Similarly, the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers app control through the Lefant app. With improved Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi distribution network, the connectivity has become faster and more stable. You can also control the vacuum through Alexa or Google Assistant. Based on online reviews, the Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum is praised for its strong suction, ability to handle obstacles and area rugs, and large dust bin. However, some reviewers have mentioned issues with the accompanying app. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is highly praised for its functionality, versatility, and pet-friendly features. Reviewers have mentioned initial connection issues and difficulty in mapping certain areas. And that concludes our comparison between the Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum and the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Both products have their unique features and advantages. The Shark AV753 offers a powerful cleaning system and extensive runtime, while the Lefant M210 Pro provides upgraded technology, pet-friendly features, and a more affordable price. Ultimately, the choice between these two robot vacuums depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Buy Smart.